The purpose of this demonstration is to show you how you can automate the process per each engraving service sold at the line item level on the sale order. So as you see here, I have a project engraving service. It has new location 1, location 2, location 3, etc. Just different locations I spun in there. So going back here to the products, now you will see I have 3 different engraving services that I created. So what we spoke about yesterday is mapping this into the database, right? So each engraving service will have its own unique name. Perhaps Amazon, the engraving services you sell on Amazon, have their own unique name, while the engraving services that you sell on Etsy have their own unique name. And I've represented their uniqueness just by a unique string of numbers here. So they can technically be named anything. And when you bring them in, you can have an internal reference for these, which I've just named Walmart Engraving Service. And that's how they'll map back. So we'll actually name this service. In sales, we'll say every time we sell this product, I want to just the ordered quantity, and I want to create a task in an existing project, specifically the project titled Engraving Service. And then what I want to do is go to General Info, and I want to specify the process here. So let's say for this, I'll do location 4 and save it. Now, if I go back to the project, engraving service, location 4 is empty. Well, watch what happens now when I sell that product that we just talked about. And I forgot what the name of it was, but I think it's this one. Nope. And you can see the location here. So it's the Walmart one. Location 4 is the process. And we can have this hidden from the sale order line. It doesn't need to be there. It's just there because I was testing it earlier. So once I confirm this, you'll see it creates a task. And when I open the task, you'll see that the task is in location 4. And when I go back to the engraving service project, you'll see that there's now a new service here in location 4, which has been created now via this sale order listed here, which is the one that we just confirmed a few seconds ago. So that is how that feature can work. So really what it's doing is it's looking at the product or the service being sold. It's looking at the process associated with that. And then when you sell this item, it's automatically putting it in the correct process or location pipeline, which then once you are, finished with, you can drag and drop to, a done location. We'll pretend location 20 is done or whatever, or we actually have, one titled done, which I can't spell today, but you get the idea. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.